Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Vicheth Chemie. Hope you are all doing well. In this video, I will be discussing a few multiple choice questions from the chapter Control and Coordination. You can make use of this video for your revision purpose. Here, all the questions are very direct answer questions. Now, without wasting time, let's directly start with the video. Question number 1. The gap between two nerve cells. Option A, dendrites. Option B, synapse. Option C, axon. Option D, impulse. Here, the correct answer is option B, synapse. The gap between two nerve cells are called synapse. Question number 2. The doctor advised a person to take insulin hormone injections because option A, his blood pressure goes down. Option B, his heart rate slows down. Option C, he has goiter disease. Option D, his blood glucose level has increased. So here, the doctor advises a person to take insulin hormone injection. So insulin hormone, it controls blood glucose level. So here, the correct answer is option D, his blood glucose level has been increased. To maintain the normal blood glucose level, doctor has advised the person to take insulin injection. Question number 3. A person feels snake by looking the rope. Which hormone released during this time? Option A, adrenaline. Option B, insulin. Option C, testosterone. Option D, thyroxine. The right answer here is option A, adrenaline hormone. It is because of this adrenaline hormone that is released, our heart will beat faster and our lungs can breathe in air more efficiently when we fear. Question number 4. Which of the following plant hormones inhibits plant growth? Option A, auxin. Option B, gibberellins. Option C, cytokinin. Option D, abscisic acid. This should be abscisic acid. Okay, option D is abscisic acid. So among all the plant hormones, the one which inhibits growth of plant is abscisic acid. Question number 5. Fluid between membranes covering the brain for the preservation of the brain is option A, cortex fluid. Option B, melanin fluid. Option C, cerebrospinal fluid. Option D, bladder fluid. Right answer is option C, cerebrospinal fluid. Question number 6. A person who consumes alcohol has lost his body balance due to alcohol intake. Which part of the brain is not functioning properly? Option A, the cerebrum. Option B, thalamus. Option C, hypothalamus. Option D, cerebellum. The right answer is option D, cerebellum, because this is the part of the brain that is affected by the excessive consumption of alcohol, and loss of body balance is because of the effect to the cerebellum. Question number 7. Breathing is controlled by which part of the brain? Option A, cerebrum. Option B, cerebellum. Option C, hypothalamus. Option D, medulla oblongata. Right answer is option D, medulla oblongata. Question number 8. In reflex action, the reflex arc is formed by option A, effector, spinal cord, receptor. Option B, brain, spinal cord, muscles. Option C, receptors, spinal cord, effectors. Option D, muscles, receptor, brain. So when we speak about reflex action and the reflex arc, the main thing or the main point that immediately it should come to the mind is spinal cord, because reflex action is controlled by the spinal cord. Here, the receptors will receive the stimuli and they will pass the message to the spinal cord, and spinal cord will give an immediate information or to do action to the effectors, and these effectors will perform. So the right answer is option C. Immediately when you see the word reflex action, spinal cord should come into your mind. It is the sudden response given to the external stimuli. We call it as reflex action. A very best example is that when you touch hot objects, Suddenly we withdraw our hands from the hot object, that is due to the action of spinal cord. Question number 9. If the roots of a plant growing towards nitrate concentrated region in the soil, it is option A, phototropism, option B, thigmotropism, option C, hydrotropism, option D, chemitropism. So here the right answer is option D, chemotropism, because it is moving towards the nitrate concentrated region. Question number 10. Identify which of the following statements about thyroxine is incorrect. Option A. Thyroid gland requires iodine to synthesize thyroxine. It is correct. Option B. Thyroxine is also called as thyroid hormone. Right. Option C. It regulates proteins, carbohydrates and fat metabolism in the body. Absolutely right. Question D. It secretes parathyroid. It is secreted from parathyroid gland. It is wrong because thyroxine is released by thyroid gland. Okay, so option D is the right answer for this question. Question number 11. This acts as a station and bridge between forebrain and hindbrain. The one which acts as bridge between the forebrain and hindbrain is midbrain. So therefore, correct answer is option C. Question number 12. The element which is responsible for the secretion of thyroxine hormone from thyroid gland, the answer is absolutely iodine, because iodine is very much essential for the release of thyroxine hormone from the thyroid gland, and therefore correct answer is option D, iodine. Question number 13. The main functions of the brain are option A, thinking, option B, controls the heart rate, option C, balance of the body, option D, all of the above. Brain is like CPU of the computer. Similarly, CPU of our body is nothing but our brain, where the function of brain is all ABC, and therefore right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 14. Which one is the master gland? Option A, adrenal, option B, thyroid, option C, pituitary, option D, parathyroid gland. So, pituitary gland is the master of all glands, therefore right answer is option C. Question number 15. Emergency hormone that acts on target organs including the heart. Option A, insulin, option B, thyroxine, option C, adrenaline, option D, testosterone. The right answer here is option C, adrenaline. So it is the emergency hormone that acts on the target organ. So including the heart, where during emergency our heart will beat faster and lungs can take more air inside. It's all because of the adrenaline hormone. Question number 16. The pathway through which the nerves pass from stimulus to response is called option A, reflex action, option B, reflex arc, option C, phototropism, option D, hydrotropism. Right answer is option B, reflex arc. The pathway through which the nerve impulses pass, we call them as reflex arc. Whereas the whole process, our reaction as well as response, we call it as reflex action. Then coming to phototropism and hydrotropism, it is about the movement of the plants towards light in case of phototropism and towards water in case of hydrotropism. Question number 17. Plants use the following method to transmit information from one cell to the another. Option A, with the help of neurons. Option B, the brain cord. Option C, the electrochemical system. Option D, conductive tissues. The correct answer is option C. It is the electrochemical system that the plants use to transmit information from one cell to another. Question number 18. A girl has a beard on her face because this hormone is often found in the girl. Option A, testosterone. Option B, estrogen. Option C, progesterone. Option D, growth hormone. The correct answer here is option A, testosterone. Testosterone is the male hormone. Because of the release of more testosterone hormone, the girl has a beard on her face. Question number 19. The plant mimosa shows option A, phototropism, option B, hydrotropism, option C, geotropism, option D, seismonastic. Mimosa is nothing but the touch me not plant and it is showing seismonastic. Question number 20. Gigantism and dwarfism can cause an unbalanced secretion of this gland. Okay, here the question should be gigantism and the dwarfism can be caused by the unbalanced secretion of this gland. Option A, adrenaline. Option B, pituitary. Option C, the pancreatic. Option D, birth glands. Right answer here is pituitary glands. I'll stop this video here. I hope you will find this video helpful. Please do like the video, share it among your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified about the upcoming videos in the channel. Thank you for watching. Stay connected. Keep learning. Take care. Bye-bye.